Discipleship Centre is working at Kalyanpuri and Madanpur Kadar, both past 20 years. We are educating children, providing quality remedial education. And children come to our center after their school hours and spend 2 hours every day. We are providing them moral education, addressing learning gaps, and providing various life skills. During this academic year, we wanted to support them with school bag and stationeries, notebook, which comprises of 600 rupees per set. And we encourage each of you to provide a school bag to a child. It will bring smile in the life of the children, and you can give. We are in need of 200 bags, 200 set. But whatever you are prompted to give, we happy to receive it and provide to the children. Thank you.